Hi all, this is Chris Terrell with Everyday VBA, and in this video we're going to be doing a Macro Monday challenge solution. The challenge is, how do you turn a sheet into its own standalone workbook? This may seem pretty complicated, but it's actually fairly simple from a code standpoint, so we're going to go ahead and just dig in. I do have Alt F11, and that's going to open up your code window. If you click on, we're going to add a module to this workbook. Now we know that we've got it saved as Macro Monday copy sheet to a new workbook. We're going to call this sub new workbook. You can hear my cat in the background. That's totally awesome. Anybody want a cat? Okay, so this is actually remarkably simple. It probably is going to take you, if you try this, it probably took you quite a bit of time just to figure out how to do this. Now, we're going to go active sheet dot copy, and that is really all there is to it. Now, this is really hard to figure out the first time, but really once you have this figured out, it's really pretty simple. So we're going to hit F8. We're going to just test it. We're on the active sheet. The active sheet is book 1. You'll notice when I run this, I'm going to have a new workbook that comes up. It's going to be called book 1 or book 3. I guess I had some other books open. It did open that up. Let me pull it over for you so you can see. Let me end this sub. But it did actually make an exact copy. So now I've got this sheet is a standalone workbook. Now at that point we could go in and save it, do different things to it. This is really nice when you're doing reports for other people, because you can have a standalone report. You don't have to send them the whole workbook, especially if workbooks get really large. This can be really helpful. So anyway, hope this is helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, comment on the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Have a great day.